Good morning, everyone. Today being the 12th day of November 2023, we all came to NNPC office, NUPENG's office, precisely here in Bonu House, in order for us to have a conversation around some of the industrial disputes that we have had between PENGASSAN and TotalEnergies. And today we've been able to reach an agreement, and by the virtue of this agreement that we have reached, for us as PENGASSAN, we are committed to every letter in this agreement, and we have resolved that by the provisions of this agreement, we will be restoring normalcy across all offices and field locations effective immediately. So as we leave here, we are going to communicate to our members to resume work effective immediately, so that normalcy will restore all across. For us, we wish to thank the management of NNPC Ltd, from the GCO, our comrade Mele Kolo-Kiare, to the EVP Upstream, and to the CUIO, and the entire team that have been here till almost 3 a.m. This morning in order to see to this agreement. As we depart, we hope that the provision of this agreement will be implemented to the letter, and it will be implemented in utmost good faith, so that we will not have any reason to have this kind of disputes again. So we believe on our path, we are committed to seeing this agreement implemented faithfully. So we also wish to thank the management of TotalEnergies as well. They have been in this meeting. I mean, we've been having intense conversation for a while, and it got more intense since Friday, Saturday, and today Sunday. As you can see, they are all here as well, and I strongly believe that at the end of the day, the workers, our members in TotalEnergies Mgt will be better for it. Thank you so much.
NNPC, energy for today, energy for tomorrow.